guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert all of your medias at once to your timeline in CapCut PC. So you can start by just selecting everything or pressing the Control A button. Wait, actually you can't. So you just have to select everything and add it to the timeline like that. Or if your files are in a folder, I'll just show you real quick on how to make a folder. Right click, new folder here. You can rename it, save, and then you can put your files in that folder, and if you press the plus button here, it's going to add in all of the images, videos, and audios in that folder right to your timeline without you having to drag everything and then putting it there. But that's basically it. It is super simple to do. Actually, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!